Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to download video from Facebook on your phone. So first thing first, open the specific video that you want to download, then click on three dots right here, then click copy link. Then after that, go to your browser like Safari, then go to website fdown.net. Then after that, paste your link right here and click download. After that, you'll see your video and resolution. So just click download video on normal quality, and after that just click download or view. So that's all. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.